Hey, what is up, guys? So today I'm back with the next video, and today I want to talk about Microsoft and Apple. So they are working on a Xbox One Series X controller to support iOS and iPads. So if you guys don't know, Microsoft is the one who built Xbox, and as you guys know, um, Apple is the one who built iPhones. So they're working together to make the Xbox Series X controller to work in iOS and iPad OS. So that means it will be able to work with the iPhone and the iPad. So if you play a game, this is a good news for you. So you can use your Xbox controller, your new Xbox Series controller to work with the iPhone. So here's what you guys need to know. This is not the first time they are working together. Earlier this year they worked to make the Elite 2 controller be able to work on iOS. And that took them like 1 year after the Xbox Elite 2 controller came out. So I'm not sure how long this will take, but hopefully it won't take that long. But I'm pretty excited to see that Apple is working with Microsoft. I'm not sure if they're gonna work with Sony also to work with the PS4 controller, but there are also signs that DualSense support might be also coming out. So that is something pretty excited, guys. I just wanted to share the news with you, but what I also want to talk about, since Apple is actually working with other video games company, this kind of shows that Apple is not working on a gaming console anytime soon. Because if they were working on a gaming console, then they wouldn't be collaborating with Microsoft to make their controller come out. Knowing Apple, if they wanted to get in the gaming world, they would have built like a controller and said, hey guys, this controller costs $500, or hey guys, this controller costs a $1,000. Knowing Apple, that would what they would have done, but they haven't done that. They haven't touched the gaming side as yet. You see, Google came out with Stadia, which is kind of struggling to get up at the front at one of the high-end games, like how you have Microsoft and you have Sony. Stadia is still trying to get in their competition, but at the moment they're not. Stadia is not really a competition to them. They're still trying to get people to buy them and all those stuff. Say they have a long way to go. I'm guessing Apple is just taking note and seeing how Stadia is actually struggling as a Google company. As you guys know, Google is also Android. So I'm guessing Apple is just on the side taking notes, because as you guys know, most of the stuff that are on iOS actually is already on Android. Like for example, the widgets. Android been have widgets for years. Picture in mode. Android been have that for years. And I think even screen record, Android had screen record before iOS. Let me know if I'm wrong or right. But I realize that Apple always don't want to be the first one to come out with things. They always make Android try it first. Even the 90Hz display or the 120Hz display. I'm getting the reason why Apple hasn't bring it out as yet is because not every Android phone has bring it out as yet, and maybe they don't have the battery to support that high-end display. Because as you guys know, those 90Hz display and 120 display, those takes up a lot of battery, because it is just refreshing. It is refreshing at a higher frequency, so definitely it would need a lot more energy from the battery. So my as I'm saying, because Apple is working with Microsoft, I really don't think they're gonna come out with a gaming console soon. I'm thinking they just want to have their Apple users be able to experience gaming at its best. As you guys know, the iPhone 12s, all of the iPhone 12, they came with 5G and all those stuff, with and I think they came with like a new part of a chip or something that is like better for gaming. I think this iPhone 12, they did like a whole gaming section, like when they were doing their presentation, saying, hey, this is the best phone for gaming right now because it downloads fast, You can play online games on your mobile data now. You can download games fast. You can download speeds are fast. And I think they said something like some part of the chip was like made for gaming. But I'm pretty sure they did like a whole section on saying that this phone is very good on gaming. So as you guys know, that event was mainly about 5G, 5G, 5G. So I'm pretty sure it was like 5G makes gaming more faster or something like that. But I'm pretty sure a lot of people are gonna use their iOS controller, their Microsoft controller, the Xbox Series X controller with their iPhone or iPad. Because as you guys know, a lot of people are playing mobile games nowadays, especially you see that a lot of people are playing mobile games and they realize that mobile game is still actually active, very active, same as our console gaming is active because you saw that Fortnite came out, it was just on console and PC. Then it went to mobile, and you saw it was doing good. Even PUBG went to mobile and it was doing good. And then Call of Duty followed them and put out their Call of Duty mobile, and it's also doing good. So clearly the mobile market is still good in gaming. So I'm guessing that's why Apple is making sure to take the time out to work with Microsoft to make sure that the Series X controller is actually compatible to work on iPhones and iPad. As I said, I'm not sure how long this will take to get ready in the market, but I'm pretty excited to see what they're gonna come out, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna work perfectly for them. And as I said, guys, this is not the first time they're working together. They work together on the Xbox Elite 2 controller. Um, and the Xbox Adaptive Controller to iOS 14 earlier this year, which is 2020. So I'm pretty sure they kind of know what they're doing. I'm pretty sure. So hopefully they're familiar with each other. So hopefully we get the best experience. Hopefully we get some of the new features that this controller is also giving us. And one question to ask you guys, do you think that the Elite 2 controller is still better than the Series X controller, or do you think the Series X controller is better than the Elite controller since it is the latest? I kind of think that the Elite controller is still better because that's why it named Elite. And I think for an Elite controller, I think it's like $150. So you're paying like half the console price. I'm talking the Xbox One S price. You're paying like half the control price for just a controller. So I'm pretty sure it's much better than the Xbox Series X. But that's pretty much what I have to say for this video, guys. Let me know. Let me know what you guys think. And also, Apple hasn't mentioned the DualSense in the support note, but hopefully it doesn't take this company 1 year to support DualSense and the new Xbox controller. So hopefully we see that in the near future. Hopefully we see Sony controllers, which is the PS5 controllers, will be able to work with iOS and iOS iPad also. So hopefully that's some pretty exciting news for gamers. I'm pretty sure a lot of gamers are gonna watch this video because they want that controller to be that one mobile player with a controller, and you're like in Fortnite building like a pro, like you're on controller when you're on a mobile device. You guys get what I'm saying? It's like a cheat. It's like a cheat sheet for gamers, a controller on a mobile device. So that's pretty much what I have to say for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, click the like button down below. Also comment down below in the comment section, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think it's gonna work perfectly? Are you excited? Are you gonna get a controller just to play a game on your PC, or are you gonna just get the Xbox and also play it with your PC, or are you just gonna get the Xbox and play it with your Xbox? That's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you reached far in this video, you definitely like my content, so consider subscribing. Until my next video, guys, I'll see you guys when I see you guys.